What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Sitting here working on my step design. I just came up with some new ideas, so this is pretty much my layout. Um, I'm going to use this as my prototype to how I'm going to design them. So I got to do a couple things, like I got to add 5 inches on this one because I made the bar too short, but now I know my heights now, so I'm going to put 5 inches on here so it can be correct. I have 5 here on this, and I got to tilt this over just some because it wasn't completely square when I laid it out on the ground, as you see. So I'm going to push this over, re-weld that, get my measurements to make sure that it's good, and I'm going to be using 2 different type of bar to connect it. And the goal is they slide tightly inside of one another. So I got a neat idea, man. So I'm going to try to lay this out in a way where I can be able to come up with a nice hog-on product that I feel that can benefit 2 different markets. So that's what I'm going to be doing this morning.